Stay home is the advice for some 75 million people in the path of the fierce winter storm battling through the East Coast. If this looks bad now, it is only going to get worse. That is why, from the Carolinas to New England, schools, businesses, and even the government closed early today to get people home in time. But the snow has already started to accumulate, forcing cars off the highway. At least 3 weather-related traffic deaths have already been reported in Tennessee and North Carolina.
We're asking everyone to please be very careful, stay off the roads if you don't need to be on the roads, and spend some time with your family.
Meantime, long lines are forming at airports, including here at Orlando International Airport. Here's a live look as travelers struggle to get ahead of the storm. The most recent update from OIA is 77 cancellations, 19 delays. Like I said earlier, though, it is not going to get better anytime soon, with more snow expected through Sunday. Nationwide, at least 6,000 flights have been canceled. We will have air travel updates for you throughout the night here on News 6.